Part of the process of running a profitable Facebook advertisement is making sure your Facebook pixel is properly installed. You're welcome to my channel, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to set up and install the Facebook pixel correctly. And I'll also be showing you how to retarget customers. So make sure you watch to the end, as this video is filled with value. So if you don't know me, I'm Abdul-wasi, and I share different tips, tricks, and strategies that you can use to make money online. So if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to get updates when I release new videos on how you can make money online. So without further ado, let's go into my screen. So before we get started, it's very necessary for you to understand the importance of the Facebook pixel. Firstly, the Facebook pixel allows you to optimize for whatever you want to achieve with your Facebook ads. Let's say you want to get more leads or you want to generate more sales. Your Facebook pixels allows Facebook to optimize your ad to get to the right people, and also you'll be able to save more money and get more results. Secondly, Facebook pixel also allows you to retarget your website visitors. Let's assume you are selling something on your website. Not everybody that comes to your website will buy immediately. If someone comes to your website and did not make purchase, with your Facebook pixel, you'll be able to retarget the person and prepare ads to people that did not convert on your website. Let's say people that did not buy whatever you are selling on your website. You can run ads targeting those specific people with your Facebook pixel. So as we move further, I will show you how to do that. Now we are in the Facebook Business Manager. If you don't know how to get to the Facebook Business Manager, you just need to type business.facebook.com, or you go to Facebook. Then in your search panel, you search for Ads Manager, then click on it. Then you get to your Business Manager. So before we get started, if you don't know how to prepare a profitable Facebook ad campaign, you can click anywhere around here, or you can click the link in the description below to see how to prepare a Facebook advertisement in the right way. So to create a Facebook pixel, what you need to do is this. You just need to click on this hamburger icon, then click on business settings. After clicking on business settings, then you go to data sources. Then you can see here, this is pixels. Then you click on it. I've created a pixel before, just as you can see here, but in this tutorial, I'll be creating a new pixel and show you how to install and set it up. To create a new pixel, what you just need to do is this. You just need to click on this add button. If you've not created any pixel before, you won't see anything here. So what you just need to do is to click on this add button. Then you give the pixel the name for whatever you want to call it. So let me just call it training pixel. So you can see here, check your website for easy setup options. You can decide to put your website, but let's just leave this for now, and you just follow my step on how to install it. Then you click on continue. Now the pixel has been created successfully. So what we need to do now is just to click on manually add pixel code to website. So you can see this code. What we just need to do is just to copy this code to our website. So regardless of the type of website you're using, either you're using WordPress or Shopify or whatever, what you just need to do is just to click on copy code to clipboard. So now this code is already copied to our clipboard. Then what you need to do is to go to your WordPress website or whatever website you're using, then go there to paste this code on all the pages. But since we're using WordPress for this training, there are some plugins that we can use to put this code on our website without going to open all the pages. What we need to do now is just to go to your WordPress dashboard. So now we are in our WordPress dashboard. And what we need to do is to paste that code that we copied into our WordPress dashboard. To do that, you need to come to plugins, then go to add new. Then you search for this, then you search for header, footer, code manager. So this is it here. Header, footer, code manager by 99 robots. So then you click on install now. So then activate. Now this plugin is already installed and activated. So to install the code to the website, you can see this HFCM. This is the plugin here. Then you just click on add new. So this is where you are going to paste the code. You can just come here, then right click, then click on paste, or you decide to press Ctrl V. So this is the base code that we copied from Facebook. So you can see Facebook pixel code like that, and it goes on. Then you come here, you can give it a name. So let's call this Facebook pixel. You can decide to exclude pages where you don't want the pixel to fire up, and exclude posts depending on how you want it. So but since this is the base code, you need the best thing is for you to install it on every pages on the website. So you can see site wide. It means that it's going to install this code is going to install on every page on this website. So once you have pasted the code, what you need to do now is just to click on save. So now the code is already saved on our website, and it's already installed. So if you click on all snippets now, you will see the code here. So you can see Facebook pixel. The code is already installed in our WordPress website. So how do we know if the pixel is already installed in our website? To know if a pixel is installed on your website or other people's website, what you just need to do is just to install this Google Chrome extension called Facebook Pixel Helper. So you can just search for Facebook Pixel Helper. So this is Facebook Pixel Helper. Click on it. Then you will see add to Chrome. But since mine is already installed, that's why you can see remove from Chrome. So this is the Facebook Pixel Helper here. When I click on it, you will see, when I click on it, you can see what is showing here. No pixel found on this website. So that's what Facebook Pixel Helper does. It tells you it tells you if there's a pixel on the website, and it also tells you what kind of event code is also firing up on that particular website. So back to our WordPress website. So let us test if this pixel is already running on our website. Let's open it. Now you can see a number on it. It shows 2. So if we click on it, it shows that a Facebook pixel is installed on this website. So now that we've confirmed that the Facebook pixel is already installed, what we need to do now is just to you can come back here, then paste the name of your website. So you can see number 3, test the base code. So you can just come here, then paste the website and click send test traffic. So let's see what it shows. So as you can see now, it shows active. So it means that our base code is already properly installed. So what you need to do now is just to click on continue. So the next step is now to install the Facebook event code. With this Facebook event code, this is what we need to use to track what people actually do on your website. And this is what we also use to optimize for whatever you want to achieve on your website. So to do that, what you just need to do is just to click on this Facebook event code. So you can put in your website URL. But for this website that we're using, I actually use it to teach how to create a landing page. So let me show you. Let me open the landing page. Then we are going to optimize this landing page for purchase, because that's what this landing page is built for. So if you don't know how to create a landing page, you can also get the link in the description below on how to create a landing page. So this is the landing page. So all we need to do now is to optimize this landing page with the pixel. What you need to do now is to copy this URL, then paste it into this place where Facebook is asking for our URL. Then you will see how easy it is to install the event code. So now this is the URL. What you just need to do now is to click on open website and see what's going to happen. So this is our website, and we've opened it through Facebook. To install the event, we need to know what we are optimizing for. For this landing page, we are optimizing for purchase. So what we need to do now is just to create event code for either button or for URL. So if we want the event to fire up for this URL, what we just need to do is just to click on track a URL. So you can see this is the URL for this page. Then you click on select event. What event do you want to fire up when people land into this page? For URL, most of the time usually view content. We want a view content event to fire up whenever people land into this web page. So you can click on confirm. The way this landing page was created is that once you click on this button, it means that it's going to take you to your payment to the payment gateway where you can make payments for the book. Now we want to track people that clicks on this button. So to do that, what you just need to do is just what you need to do now is just to click track new button. So now you can see this is a button, this is another button, and the two buttons are linking to the same place. So you can just click on any of them since they are linking to the same place. So you can just click on this. Once you click on this now, then select the event that you want to run when someone clicks either of those buttons. Now the thing is this: anybody that visits your web page, the person has already shown interest. If the person clicks a button, it depends on what the button is designed to do. This button is meant to take anybody that clicks on it to the sales page. So if you click on this button, it means that you have initiated checkout according to what this button is meant to do. It depends on whatever you are doing for your website. It depends on whatever you are optimizing for. So once you click on this button, it means that you've decided to initiate checkout. So I will just click on initiate checkout. Then if I want to assign a value, but I don't need to assign any value for this, then you can just click on confirm. So for this page, I've optimized this page for whatever I want. So you can see now on this button, you can see this icon shows that anybody that clicks on it is going to, the initiate checkout is going to fire up. Likewise, this button. So now this page is already optimized for whatever I want it to do. Once you click on this, it's going to take you to the payment gateway. Though the payment gateway is not part of this website, so it means that I cannot install Facebook. I cannot use Facebook Pixel on that website because it's not my own. Then, but I can what I can do in the what I can do in this situation is to go to the landing page and also is to go to the thank you page and optimize the thank you page with this Facebook Pixel. So this is the thank you page. Now this event setup tool is already here again. What we need to do now is just to click on track a URL. For you, first of all, for any website visitor to get to this thank you page, it means that that website visitor has already made a purchase. So and it means that the person has already converted. So what we can just do now is just to optimize for purchase. It means that anybody for you to land on this page, it means that you have already purchased. Then once you click on purchase, then you can now decide to set the value for whatever price you are selling that particular product. But since the price of the product is not on this website at all, it's only in the payment gateway. So what I just need to do is I will just click on don't include checkout. Then I can also click on confirm. So this is just the simple way of installing Facebook Pixel, depending on the kind of website that you are using, or maybe or it might be an e-commerce website, or maybe just a normal website, or maybe a landing page just like this one. It depends on what you are trying to optimize. So you can see this is very, very simple. So if we go back to the Facebook manager, so I can just come here and click on disconnect. Since I'm already through with whatever I want to achieve on the website, then I can just click on cancel. So this is the pixel. I can just click on open in event manager. After clicking on event manager, this is the page that I am now. So it's going to keep updating here for whatever is happening on the website. When people continue to visit the website, you can come here to track all the activities of whatever is going on in the website. So you can see this is the name of the website, this is the pixel code, then this is this was last time it fired. Now if you remember the event code that we installed in the website, these are all the event codes. So you can see we optimize for page view, we optimize for purchase, we optimize for initiate checkout, and we optimize for view content. So you can see this page view shows 4. It means that four people have visited this landing page. Actually, the 4 people is me. I visited the page 4 times. Then this purchase, if I go to the purchase page now and reload that purchase page, and I mean, if I go to the thank you page and reload that thank you page, you will see that this place is going to show one. This initiate checkout, anybody that clicks that button is also going to show, is also going to increase here. And this view content too, the same thing. I just visited all the pages and decided to refresh the website just for you, just to see how, just for you to see how this is working. So it means it shows that I visited this page 7 times. Actually, that's before I install all these event codes. So this is initiate checkout, this is purchase, and this is view content. It shows that I view content once and I purchased from this landing page. Actually, I did not purchase. I just visited the thank you page and this purchase fired up. So this is just for you to understand how it works. It means that for any of your web visitors to get to your thank you page, it means that they've already purchased whatever you are selling. So this is how you can optimize for purchase and for you to know the amount of people that have bought from your that have bought through your Facebook ad. So this is also initiate checkout too. Then it means that I clicked that button once too. So this is how it is. Another way to know if your Facebook pixel is running properly is just to open whatever page you are tracking, then click on the Facebook pixel helper. Then it will show you all the event that is firing web on that web page. So you can see this is page view, which is firing up, and at the same time this is view content, which was the event that we created the other time. Then also this is the thank you page. So if you can see the same thing, the pixel also fires, and you can see it's also optimizing for purchase. That's another way to know if your Facebook event is running properly. Then the next thing is how can you retarget with your Facebook pixel? To retarget with your Facebook pixel is very simple. What you just need to do is to click on create. Then you can see this is create ad. We are not creating ad, but what you just need to do is to create custom audience. To retarget, you need to create custom audience. What custom audience means is you are trying to create a group of people based on their behavior on your website. So so this is the ad account. I will just click on this and I can click next. Then this is the pixel. You can see it's showing green. It's because it's already installed and it's already working. Then you can see all website visitors. It depends on whatever you are optimizing for. If you want to advertise to everybody that came to your website, you can decide to go with that. And at the same, but since I'm trying to optimize for purchase, I can just create a retargeting campaign based on people that did not purchase. So to do that, what I can just do is click on view content. If you can remember, I put the view content on the landing page, then I put purchase on the thank you page. So once I can just click on view content, it means that people that view content maybe in the last 30 days or in the last 180 days, it depends on whatever you are optimizing for. So people that view content in the last 180 days are going to see this advert. I can decide to now exclude people because I just want people that view content. You need to understand this. First of all, for you to reach the thank you page, it means that you have gotten to the landing page. Then from the landing page to the payment gateway, then to the thank you page. So it means that if I leave this on view content alone, either you've bought or you've not bought, you are going to see my retargeting advert. But since I want to retarget only those people that have visited my website and not purchased. So what I can just do is to click on view content, then I'll click on exclude people. So once I click on exclude, so you can see exclude people who does not meet any of the criteria. So I can now click exclude people that purchased. You can remember I put the purchase on the thank you page. So once you reach the thank you page, this purchase is going to fire up and automatically Facebook already knows that you have bought. So this advert is not going to get to you. So this advert is not going to be shown to people that have already bought on your website. So once I click on purchase, then I can just scroll down, then give it a name. Then I can just call it maybe retargeting. You can just give it any name that you want, but you just need to give it a name that you understand. So once that is done, then click on create audience. So that's so now that the audience is created, we can either click on done or you can decide to create an ad. But let me just quickly create an ad real quick. I'm not going to create an ad, but I will just show you how to use this custom audience in the ad. So now we are in our ads manager. Then you can decide to click any of these objectives that you want to achieve. So you can decide to click on traffic, but in this kind of situation, we need to click on conversion because we've already set up our pixel and we want to optimize. We want to advertise to those people that have not bought on our website. So you can just click on conversion. Then you can give the campaign name whatever you want. So they all these ones I've already explained it in the Facebook advertisement training. So if you want to understand how to advertise on Facebook profitably, make sure you watch that video. So then you can just click on continue. So now that we've clicked on conversion, so what you need to do is just to, you can see here, select what you want people to do after seeing your ad, or where you want to take them. So obviously we want them to go to a website. So this is we want them to go to a website. Then now you can see here, optimization for ad delivery. So what do we want to optimize for? Now we need to select the pixel. So you can see this is the pixel that we are going to use. Then now you can see, now choose an event. So this is the event that we created the other time. So what event are you optimizing for? So we are optimizing for purchase. Then now that we optimize for purchase, then what we just need to do now is just to come here. You can see now the Facebook has already put the custom audience for these people automatically. So now we are trying to optimize for purchase, and at the same time we are going to advertise we are going to advertise to people that visited our web page but did not buy. It means that people that came to the website but did not get to the thank you page. Then you follow all the steps to then you publish your Facebook ad. Then that's just how to run a retargeting campaign. It's as simple as that. So thank you for watching to the end. I hope you've learned something very useful today. If you have any question, make sure you ask in the comment section. I'm going to reply to every single comment. If you have anything that you feel like I should create a video on, kindly post that in the comment section. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Don't forget to join our growing Facebook group. The link to the Facebook group is also in the description below. So thank you for watching and see you next time.